Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could change a local Microsoft Windows account into an admin account. So what you want to do, you want to go to your search tab if you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11. So you want, as I said, to go to the search tab and type Control Panel. Once you see the application, click on it, open. You might have different view by either large icons or small icons. So you want to change the category to be able to follow. Next step, under user accounts, you want to click on change account type. Locate the account which you want to elevate to uh, an admin, like this one, for example. On the left, change the account type. Here, you will select administrator and you will click change account type. And now it became an admin. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.